In the rapidly evolving world of blockchain technology, Solana and Avalanche emerge as two prominent players, each offering unique solutions to the industry's challenges. Solana, known for its high-performance blockchain platform, emphasizes scalability, security, and low transaction fees, positioning itself as a strong competitor to established blockchains like Ethereum. It achieves this through its innovative proof of history (POH) mechanism, coupled with proof of stake (POS), promising exceptional transaction speeds and efficiency. On the other hand, Avalanche, with its native token AVAX, stands out as a multi-chain smart contract platform aiming to resolve the blockchain trilemma by balancing scalability, security, and decentralization. It introduces a novel consensus protocol that merges elements of Classical and Nakamoto consensus, offering rapid transaction finality and a unique multi-chain architecture for handling diverse transaction types. Both platforms, though sharing the common goal of advancing blockchain technology, exhibit distinct differences in their approach, architecture, and application, reflecting the diverse needs and preferences in the blockchain ecosystem. Solana is a high-performance blockchain platform designed for scalability, security, and low transaction fees. It aims to address some of the limitations of popular blockchains like Ethereum by offering faster transaction speeds and lower costs. Avalanche, commonly referred to by its native token AVAX, is a multi-chain smart contract platform competing with Ethereum for dominance in the blockchain space. It aims to solve the blockchain trilemma, achieving scalability, security, and decentralization all at once. Solana and Avalanche are both prominent blockchain platforms, but they differ in several key aspects. Consensus mechanisms and speed. Solana uses a unique consensus mechanism called proof of history (POH) in combination with proof of stake (POS). POH allows for the creation of a historical record that proves that an event has occurred at a specific moment in time. This mechanism is designed to optimize speed and scalability. Solana boasts high throughput and low transaction fees, claiming to process over 50,000 transactions per second, TPS. Avalanche employs a novel consensus protocol known as Avalanche, combining elements of Classical and Nakamoto consensus. It's designed to achieve high throughput and quick finality. Avalanche has three interoperable blockchains: the exchange chain, X-chain, platform chain, P-chain, and contract chain, C-chain, each serving different functions. This multi-chain architecture allows Avalanche to handle various types of transactions efficiently. Blockchain structure. Solana operates on a single blockchain or layer, which simplifies its operation but could potentially lead to congestion as the network grows. Avalanche, as mentioned, uses a unique multi-chain structure. This design allows for greater flexibility and can potentially handle a higher volume of diverse transactions by distributing the load across multiple chains. Smart contracts and development. Solana supports smart contracts and is known for its compatibility with Rust, a programming language favored for its performance and safety. It also supports C and C++. Avalanche also supports smart contracts and is compatible with the Ethereum Virtual Machine, EVM, making it easy for Ethereum developers to port their applications over to Avalanche. It primarily uses Solidity, the same programming language used for Ethereum smart contracts. Decentralization and security. Solana, there have been concerns about the level of decentralization in Solana's network, partly due to the high hardware requirements for running a validator node. However, it is continuously working on improving its network's decentralization and security. Avalanche emphasizes decentralization and claims to be able to operate securely with thousands of validators. Its consensus mechanism is designed to be robust against attacks. Use cases and adoption. Solana has gained significant traction in areas like decentralized finance, DeFi, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and decentralized applications, dApps, thanks to its high throughput and low fees. Avalanche also targets DeFi and dApp development but has a unique edge due to its EVM compatibility, attracting Ethereum developers and projects. Community and ecosystem. Solana has built a strong community and ecosystem, with numerous projects in an active development scene. Avalanche also boasts a rapidly growing ecosystem, especially among developers who are looking for an alternative to Ethereum's high gas fees and slower transaction times. In summary, while both Solana and Avalanche are advanced blockchain platforms that offer high throughput and support for smart contracts and dApps, they differ in their architectural designs, consensus mechanisms, and focus areas within the blockchain space. Solana is known for its speed and efficiency, while Avalanche stands out for its unique multi-chain structure and EVM compatibility. The differences between Solana and Avalanche are important for several reasons, each impacting various stakeholders in the blockchain ecosystem. Developers and project teams. Choice of platform. Developers need to choose a blockchain that aligns with their project's needs. Solana's high throughput and low fees make it ideal for applications requiring fast transactions, like gaming or high-frequency trading platforms. Avalanche, with its EVM compatibility, attracts Ethereum developers seeking to leverage its lower fees and faster transactions. Programming language and tools. The choice between Rust, Solana, and Solidity, Avalanche, can be crucial. Developers may prefer one language over another based on their familiarity, the project's requirements, or the language's features. Users and transaction efficiency. Transaction speed and cost. For users engaging in DeFi, NFTs, or other dApps, transaction speed and cost are crucial. Solana's high TPS and low fees can be more attractive for frequent, small transactions. In contrast, Avalanche's rapid finality and diverse chain architecture can be more beneficial for complex transactions. Network congestion. The structural differences, single chain in Solana vs. multi-chain in Avalanche, can affect network congestion during high demand, influencing transaction times and costs. Decentralization and security. Trust in the network. Decentralization is a core value in blockchain technology. Avalanche's emphasis on decentralization and secure consensus mechanism may appeal to those prioritizing these aspects. Solana's issues with decentralization and past network outages might raise concerns for some users. Security considerations. The different approaches to security and consensus mechanisms can impact the trustworthiness and resilience of the networks against attacks. Investors and market dynamics. Adoption and growth potential. Investors may look at how each platform's unique features influence adoption and growth. Solana's performance metrics might suggest potential for high-scale applications, whereas Avalanche's EVM compatibility and multi-chain approach could indicate a strong position in the evolving DeFi space. Ecosystem development. The health and vibrancy of a blockchain's ecosystem, including partnerships, developer activity, and user adoption, are crucial for long-term success and can influence investment decisions. Scalability and future growth. Long-term viability. Scalability solutions are vital for the future growth of blockchains. Solana's single-layer approach focuses on maximizing performance within a single chain, while Avalanche's multi-chain architecture offers a different pathway for scaling. Interoperability. Cross-chain interaction. Avalanche's multi-chain approach potentially offers more native interoperability solutions within its ecosystem, which could be important as the blockchain space moves towards more cross-chain interactions. In summary, understanding these differences is crucial for making informed decisions, whether one is a developer choosing a platform for their application, a user engaging with blockchain applications, an investor analyzing market potential, or an enthusiast keeping up with blockchain technology's evolution. Each platform's unique strengths and weaknesses cater to different needs and preferences in the rapidly growing and diverse blockchain landscape. The differences between Solana and Avalanche, primarily in their architecture, consensus mechanisms, and network design, function in specific ways to shape the user and developer experience. Here's how these key differences work. Consensus mechanisms. Solana's proof of history, PO. This works by creating a historical record that shows that a certain event has occurred at a specific time. This is combined with proof of stake, POS, to secure the network. PO helps in streamlining the transaction validation process, thereby increasing throughput and reducing latency. Avalanche's consensus protocol. This protocol enables rapid transaction finality. Unlike traditional blockchain models, which rely on sequential block confirmations, Avalanche's consensus allows for parallel processing of transactions, increasing speed and efficiency. Blockchain structure. Solana's single chain. Solana operates on a single, high-throughput layer. This means all transactions, regardless of type, are processed on this single chain. While this can maximize efficiency and speed, it could lead to potential congestion as the network scales. Avalanche's multi-chain framework, with separate chains for different purposes, X-chain, C-chain, and P-chain, Avalanche can optimize each chain for specific types of transactions, example simple transfers, smart contracts. This separation helps in managing load and scaling effectively. Smart contracts and development ecosystem. Solana's development environment. Solana supports smart contracts with a focus on Rust, known for its performance and safety. This can attract developers looking for a high-speed, efficient environment. Avalanche's EVM compatibility. By supporting the Ethereum virtual machine, Avalanche makes it easier for developers already familiar with Ethereum's environment and Solidity language to migrate or duplicate their applications, fostering a more extensive development ecosystem. Transaction speed and costs. Speed in Solana. Thanks to its POW and efficient single-chain architecture, Solana can process transactions extremely quickly, reducing both transaction times and costs. Cost and finality in Avalanche. Avalanche's unique consensus mechanism provides fast finality, the time it takes to confirm a transaction irreversibly, and can offer competitive transaction costs, especially for complex operations. Decentralization and security. Solana's decentralization challenges. High hardware requirements for running a validator node on Solana might limit the number of nodes, potentially impacting decentralization. However, its POS element still ensures a degree of security and distributed control. Avalanche's emphasis on decentralization. With a design that supports a large number of validators, Avalanche promotes a more decentralized network, enhancing security and reducing the risk of centralized control. Use cases. Solana for high-frequency applications. Its architecture makes it suitable for applications requiring rapid transaction processing, like DeFi exchanges or gaming. Avalanche for diverse applications. The multi-chain approach allows Avalanche to efficiently handle a broader range of applications, from simple transfers to complex smart contracts. In essence, these differences represent various approaches to solving common blockchain challenges such as speed, scalability, security, and decentralization. Both Solana and Avalanche offer unique solutions, making them suitable for different types of applications and user preferences in the blockchain space. The development and distinct features of Solana and Avalanche can be attributed to the vision and efforts of their respective founding teams and key contributors. Solana. Anatoly Yakovenko. He is the primary founder of Solana and plays a pivotal role in its development. Yakovenko has a background in software engineering, with experience working at companies like Qualcomm and Dropbox. He introduced the proof of history (POW) concept, which is central to Solana's high-speed blockchain. Raj Gokul, co-founder of Solana, Gokul has been instrumental in overseeing the operational aspects of the project. His contributions have been significant in terms of expanding Solana's ecosystem and community outreach. Solana team. The broader team consists of experienced professionals from various sectors, including former engineers from Qualcomm, Intel, Google, Microsoft, Twitter, and more. This diverse team brings a wealth of knowledge and experience in technology and business, contributing to Solana's robust development. Avalanche. Emin Gun Sayrer, a key figure behind Avalanche. Sayrer is a computer scientist and professor at Cornell University with a rich background in computer science. He is known for his work in decentralized systems and cryptocurrencies. Sayrer's expertise has been crucial in the development of the Avalanche protocol, which is noted for its speed, scalability, and flexibility. Kevin Seeknakai and Mofan Ted-Yin, as co-founders, along with Sayrer, they have significantly contributed to the development of Avalanche. Seeknakai's background in decentralized systems and Yin's expertise in consensus protocols have been vital in shaping Avalanche's unique technological approach. AVALabs team. The development of Avalanche is also supported by AVALabs, where a team of experts in cryptography, economics, and blockchain technology work together. This team is responsible for the ongoing development and innovation of the Avalanche platform. Both Solana and Avalanche reflect the vision and expertise of their founders and teams. These individuals' backgrounds in technology, computer science, and blockchain have been instrumental in creating and refining the unique aspects of each blockchain, shaping the way they operate and the specific solutions they offer to the challenges in the blockchain and cryptocurrency space. Over the past year, Solana, SOL, has experienced several significant developments and fluctuations in its market performance. Price reclamation. SOL's native token notably broke the $100 mark, a level it hadn't reached since before the collapse of Terra a year and a half ago. Growth in value locked. The value locked in Solana applications grew substantially, rising from $400 million in November to $1.3 billion, matching levels last seen in July 2022. Recovery post-FTX collapse. Solana, significantly impacted by the FTX collapse, saw its SOL token fall by over 41% a week after the exchange's bankruptcy. However, it has been recovering since then, with the total value locked in Solana's decentralized finance ecosystem reaching its highest point since the beginning of the year. Technical improvements. Amidst its resurgence, which is partly based on risk and speculation, Solana has made some important technical improvements, maintaining its reputation for high speeds and low transaction fees. Surge in price and market position. Solana's SOL token surged past $25, hitting a 3-month high of $26.84, and later reached $115 for the first time in a year. This rise in value also led to Solana surpassing BNB to become the fourth largest cryptocurrency. Blockchain performance. As a high-performance blockchain, Solana uses a delegated proof-of-stake (DPoS) consensus algorithm and a unique transaction ordering method, enabling it to process over 50,000 transactions per second with 400 milliseconds block times. It has processed over 21 billion transactions. Price surge dynamics. Solana experienced a 466% price surge in 100 days, reflecting the diverse catalysts of its growth. Additionally, a Solana decentralized exchange altcoin skyrocketed by more than 95% in a week, indicating robust network growth. These developments demonstrate Solana's resilience and adaptability in the dynamic cryptocurrency market, highlighting its recovery from setbacks and its potential for continued growth and innovation in blockchain technology. Over the past year, Avalanche, AVAX, has experienced a dynamic period in the cryptocurrency market, marked by notable developments and fluctuations. Growth and potential. Avalanche is recognized as a promising crypto asset, having experienced a surge in application development on its smart contracts platform, which has positively impacted its value. Price movements. Despite fluctuations, AVAX has shown moments of significant growth. For instance, it achieved a 13% surge, disrupting the crypto space and indicating the market's confidence in its potential as a leading Layer 1, L1, solution. This surge was driven by the DeFi and meme coin sectors, with Avalanche's high throughput and lower transaction costs making it an attractive platform for these applications. Long-term performance. Over a year, AVAX's token price was still down by 84%, even after positive price actions. This suggests that while there have been rallies, the overall long-term trend had been bearish. Double price rally in December. AVAX's price doubled in December, attributed to strategic focuses on burgeoning blockchain narratives like real-world assets, RWAs, and GameFi. Avalanche announced partnerships with major banks like JP Morgan Chase and Citibank for RWA projects and initiated a $50 million fund for RWA research and development. This growth in TVL and market cap was a key factor in the rally. Bullish outlook and technical analysis. From a technical analysis perspective, key on-chain indicators like growing network usage and rising TVL supported a bullish outlook for AVAX, with the 50-day and 200-day simple moving average trends indicating a golden cross phenomenon, signaling strengthening bullish momentum. Emerging from a downtrend, AVAX had been experiencing a prolonged bearish trend since April 17, forming a falling wedge pattern. This pattern suggested a potential shift towards a bullish trend, and at the time of writing, AVAX was showing signs of recovery from this downtrend, with an increase in price and trading volume. Relative Strength Index, RSI, indications. The RSI for AVAX indicated significant buying pressure, supporting the bullish outlook. However, the 50-day and 200-day moving averages trading above the price suggested the possibility of a price retracement. Near doubling in price. In November, AVAX nearly doubled in price, leading among cryptocurrencies with a market value above $1 billion. These points highlight Avalanche's resilience and potential in the ever-evolving cryptocurrency market. The strategic focus on key blockchain areas, along with technical factors and market dynamics, have influenced its performance over the past year. Refuting the points made in the provided analysis requires a critical examination of the claims regarding Solana and Avalanche. Here's a counter perspective on each of the key points. Consensus mechanisms and speed. Solana's proof of history, PO, while innovative, PO's real-world efficiency and long-term scalability are yet to be fully proven at the scale of larger networks like Ethereum. High-speed claims should be balanced against network stability issues Solana has experienced. Avalanche's protocol. Although it promises quick finality and high throughput, Avalanche's consensus complexity and newer technology mean it has not been tested under the same breadth of conditions as some more established protocols. Blockchain structure. Solana's single chain, the single-layer approach might lead to scalability issues as the network grows, especially considering past network congestion and outages Solana has experienced. Avalanche's multi-chain architecture. While flexible, this design can introduce complexity and fragmentation, potentially making it more challenging for developers to create interoperable applications. Smart contracts and development. Solana's Rust compatibility. While Rust is efficient, it is less popular in the blockchain developer community compared to Solidity, potentially limiting developer adoption. Avalanche and EVM compatibility. While EVM compatibility is advantageous, it could also mean that Avalanche struggles to differentiate itself from Ethereum, especially with Ethereum's ongoing upgrades and scalability improvements. Decentralization and security. Solana's decentralization issues. The high hardware requirements for nodes might centralize the network around well-funded operators, which goes against the decentralized ethos of blockchain technology. Avalanche's security claims. Although Avalanche emphasizes security and decentralization, the actual effectiveness of its novel consensus mechanism in resisting large-scale, sophisticated attacks remains less proven compared to more established blockchains. Use cases and adoption. Solana's traction. Despite its popularity in certain domains, network stability issues could deter widespread adoption for critical financial applications. Avalanche's market position. Avalanche's focus on being an Ethereum alternative could limit its appeal if Ethereum successfully addresses its own scalability and cost issues through upgrades like Ethereum 2.0. Community and ecosystem. Solana's ecosystem, while active, the repeated network issues could undermine developer and user confidence, impacting the long-term health of its ecosystem. Avalanche's developer attraction. Its growth is commendable, but as a newer platform, it faces the challenge of sustaining long-term developer engagement and competing against more established platforms. In summary, while both Solana and Avalanche have distinct advantages and innovations, they also face significant challenges and untested aspects. These include issues related to scalability, security, decentralization, and long-term viability in a rapidly evolving blockchain landscape. In conclusion, Solana and Avalanche represent two innovative approaches in the blockchain realm, each with its distinct characteristics and strengths. Solana's single-chain architecture and unique proof-of-history mechanism offer high transaction speeds and scalability, making it an attractive choice for high-frequency applications. Conversely, Avalanche's multi-chain structure and Ethereum virtual machine compatibility provide versatility and appeal to a broad range of developers, particularly those from the Ethereum community. While both platforms aim to address the common challenges of scalability, security, and decentralization, their different approaches underscore the diversity and dynamism in blockchain technology. Understanding these nuances is crucial for developers, investors, and users alike, as they navigate the complex and ever-evolving landscape of blockchain and cryptocurrency. As the industry continues to grow, both Solana and Avalanche are poised to play significant roles in shaping the future of decentralized applications and financial systems.